In this video, you're going to learn about the fatal flaw of the Dodge Hellcat. Richard. Although the Hellcat is considered a pioneer of the American muscle car, its fatal flaws are numerous. Luckily for you clicked on this video, because today you're going to learn the secret Dodge definitely doesn't want you to know. I'm Jeff from Modern Muscle, and these are the fatal flaws of the Dodge Hellcat. The Hellcat's first fatal flaw is the fact that hackers can easily access it, potentially taking control of the wheel while you're behind it. The Hellcat's features like Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, keyless entry systems, tire pressure monitoring systems, and its Uconnect system could all potentially be hacked due to a security vulnerability. And what can hackers do once they get control of your car's network, you ask? Well, for one, they can modify your remote and easily gain access to your car, stealing it with a click of a button. Moreover, once your Hellcat's been hacked, a hacker could hijack critical driving systems with computer-controlled features like cruise control and power steering to physically manipulate the car, causing a fatal crash. Although this security vulnerability was corrected by Dodge via recall, the way the corrections were made was problematic to say the least. All recalls were processed through a wireless uplink. Because of this, it is rumored that more than 15% of 2015 and 2016 Hellcats never received the update and are left with these potentially fatal security vulnerabilities. The Hellcat's next fatal flaw is its defective cruise control system. On May 17th of this year, 2015 through 2018 Dodge Hellcats were recalled addressing a defect that could prevent the cruise control system from disengaging. This stemmed from a short circuit within the vehicle's wiring. When this malfunction occurred, the driver couldn't shut off the cruise control, either by depressing the brake pedal or by manually turning the system off once it's been engaged, resulting in either the vehicle maintaining its current speed or possibly accelerating.
Shot for you. That shit ain't nothing. Hey, I knew it. You seen it?
When the Hellcat maintains its speed or accelerates despite the attempts to deactivate the cruise control, there's an increased risk of a crash. The Hellcat's next fatal flaw is its defective fuel system. On February 25th of 2015, Dodge recalled certain 2015 Hellcats due to a defective O-ring seal that resulted in leaking fuel. The Hellcat's fuel hose was made out of fuel-resistant rubber, leaving it susceptible to the same wear and tear that regular hoses experience, such as drying out and cracking. Typical symptoms of the Hellcat's bad fuel hose included fuel smell presence inside and outside of the cabin, and most importantly, fuel leaking in the presence of an ignition source such as the Hellcat's hot engine or exhaust components, resulting in a vehicle fire or explosion. Last and not least, we have the Hellcat's deadly airbag flaw. On May 15th of 2015, Dodge recalled certain model year 2015 Hellcats manufactured March 28th, 2015 through April 1st of that same year. In the affected vehicles, the driver's side airbag had a missing mounting bolt. This altered the airbag's deployment, increasing the risk of occupant injury in the event of a side impact or rollover crash. This flaw was caused by a temporary part-time factory production operator in the Dodge's Ontario plant, who was not aware that the rear bolt existence on the Hellcat was in fact different from the Chrysler 300, on which this particular operator was trained. Furthermore, the team leader failed to audit the new operator on this assignment. The rate of missing bolts is approximately 88% of the total Hellcats produced at that time, a simple mistake with potentially deadly consequences. Well guys, those are the fatal flaws of the Dodge Hellcat. Let me know what you guys think, especially all you Hellcat owners out there. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Also, if you like what you see at the channel, subscribe. Until next time.